Hello everyone, welcome back to Noble Chemistry classes. Now today we are going to start today's video from the classification of elements and periodicity in properties for class 10th and 11th. So let's we start. Now today's topic is the prediction of group periods and block of an element. So let's we start. Prediction of block, period, group of an element. Now we have already discussed that the classification of elements in the periodic table. Now according to modern periodic table, the elements are arranged in such a systematic way we can predict the positions of an elements in the periodic table if we know the atomic number of the elements. So let's we see that how can we say that and how can we predict the positions of the elements in a periodic tables. For example, block. We can predict the block by the electronic configuration that the last electrons enter in that subshell, that is that block of element. For block we can predict the block by its electronic configuration by its electronic configuration. If last electron enter in S subshell, then it is S block element. And so on. Means, for example, if last electron enter in the S subshell, then the element is the S block element. If last electron enters in the P subshell, then the element is the P block element. And if the last electrons enter in the D subshell, then it is the D block element, and so on. Now next, how can we predict the period? We can predict period by the principal quantum number. By the principal quantum number. And how can we predict that? We can see here with example. Now next is the how can we predict the group of an element. Group number of S block element is equal to the electron in last cell. मीन्स एस ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स के लिए अगर हमें ग्रुप नंबर बताएं तो एस सब शेल्स के अंदर लास्ट शेल्स के अंदर, लास्ट आउटर मोस्ट शेल्स के अंदर जितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होंगे वो उसी ग्रुप का क्या होगा, एलिमेंट होगा. Group number of S block element, that is equal to number of electron in last cell, and group number of P block element, that is equal to 10 plus number of electron in outermost shell. पी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स के लिए हमें क्या करना है कि जितने भी आउटरमोस्ट शेल्स में इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं उसमें 10 प्लस कर देना है, वो उसी ग्रुप का क्या होता है, एलिमेंट होता है. एंड द ग्रुप नंबर ऑफ डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट, that is equal number of electron in n-1 d subshell plus number of electron in ns subshell. Now this is the group number and period, and the this is the now from this way we can predict the also group number of S block element, P block element and the D block element. Let's we see some example. Now here predict the block period and the group number of magnesium, aluminium, iron, nickel, calcium, etc. Now first of all we will predict the block period and the group of magnesium element. Now here magnesium, the atomic number that is equal to 12. Now electronic configuration of the magnesium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s2. Now from here we can say see that the last electron goes in the S subcell, so it is the S block element. Now here block S and for period we see the principal quantum number. Here is the principal quantum number in the valence cell is 3, so it is the it is the element of the third period third. And group, here we can say that it is the S block element, so we have discussed now group number in the S block element is equal to the number of electron present in the outermost shell. Now here 2 electrons present in the outermost shell, so here group number is 2. Now magnesium is the element of the S block element and the third period, and the group number is 2. Now next is aluminium. Now the atomic number of aluminium is 13. Here electronic configuration, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p1. Here last electron goes in the p subshell, so it is P block element. Now block, that is P block. and period is equal to the number of principal quantum number in the last shell. Here is the principal quantum number is 3, so we can say that it is the third period of element. Third period. And group number, here we can say that principal quantum is 3. Now here in third shell there are 3 electrons are present. Here 2 plus 1. Now 10 plus 3, that is equal to 13. Here aluminium is the p block element and the period is third and the group number is 13. Now the next is iron. Iron atomic number, that is equal to 26. Here electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d6. Now here from we can say that block last electron enter in the d subshell, so it is the d block element. Period, here is n-1 d and ns. Now here the value of n is 4, so the period is 4th. And group number, that is equal to number of electron in the n-1 d subshell plus number of electron in the ns subshell. Now here n-1 d subshell, here is the number of electron is 6 and in ns the number of electron is 2, so the group number is 6 plus 2, that is 8. Now iron is a element of the d block element and the period is 4th and the group number is 8. Now the next is nickel. The atomic number of nickel is 28. So electronic configuration of the nickel is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d8. This is the electronic configuration of the nickel. Here we can see also that the last electron goes in the d subshell, so it is the d block element. D block element. And period, here is also the value of here n, the value of n is equal to 4, so here period is 4. And group number, that is number of electron in the ns subshell and the n-1 d subshell, so 8 plus 2, that is 10. It is the elements of the d block element and the period is 4th and the group number is 10. Now the next is calcium. Calcium, here the atomic number of the calcium is 20. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 4s2. 6 or 4 times. Now here, this is the electronic configuration of the calcium. Here we can see that the last electron goes in the s subshell, so it is s block element. S block element, and here period is last electron goes in the 4s2. Here the principal quantum number is 4, so the period is 4th. And group number, that is equal to last for the s block elements, the group number is equal to the number of electron in the outermost shell. Here is the 2 electron in the outermost shell, so it is the group. Here is the group number is second. Now calcium is the element of the s block element, and the period is 4th, and the group number is 2. Now from here we can predict the group, block and the period of any element in the periodic table with by its atomic number and electronic configuration. आई होप आपको आज की वीडियो समझ में आई होगी। अगर आपको वीडियो समझ में आई है तो वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।